Got my Tucktec with me today. I'm going to show you the 5 reasons why I chose a Tucktec folding kayak. I've had a couple people ask me on the channel, well, why not just get inflatable? Why'd you choose this? So I thought it would be really cool to make a video about this and tell you my reasons and why this has been an awesome solution for our family and why you might want to consider Tucktec. All right, so as you can see, I've got my camera equipment, my life vest, the seat, got everything thrown in here kind of haphazard. That's how the kayak fits in just your standard tiny car trunk. So this is the 2025 edition model. I've got some videos on my channel if you're interested in older models or the Boto ultralight model. This just shows you a quick glimpse of what some of the setup process is like. You can see full setup videos in some of the other videos on my channel. So this is my current absolute favorite model of the kayak. This is the 2025. It's awesome. It's super portable. It's got the best features of the adjustable footrest, the super stable seat, and then like I said, the other thing that I love about this is the super wide hull. I'm able to fit my dry bag in my front with my camera equipment. I can set up this bungee to put additional stuff in the front, and then in the back you also have a ton of space. You could put a little cooler back there. Here are 5 reasons why I chose a Tucktec folding kayak. Okay guys, so I'm just kind of showing you where I launched from. So you don't need a boat launch to launch with these. You can launch from the shoreline. Just want to launch parallel. I often just put my feet right in the water and then get in the kayak from there. I've got my sneakers just sitting in the back. It's so easy to get out on the water and so easy to clean up. I don't wipe this down. I don't do anything. I fold this up, I throw it in my trunk, I put it back in the car. Sometimes I'll put it back in the garage or the storage closet, that type of thing. For me, these have just been, I say this in like all the videos, but they've been life-changing. I can go to a park to hike, and then if I see a nice kayaking situation, I can just grab my stuff right out of the trunk and go. I don't have to put something on a roof rack. I don't have to haul it off a roof rack. I have everything I need in my trunk to just go and explore. The second reason is I really like to support small businesses. I like to support companies that make products right here in America. Tucktec is American made. I believe they're based out of North Carolina, and I really like that. I like to support a small business, so that's another reason why I bought one of these. They've got a few different models. They've got a 10-pound ultralight. They've got the more of the traditional heavy-duty kayak. So there's all different kinds of options. Our first 2 kayaks we bought from Tucktec were actually refurbished kayaks, and they are still in excellent condition. There are green ones. Probably seen them in a number of videos on our channel. We have 4 people in my family. My kids love to go kayaking. My husband now has discovered he likes to go kayaking. So when I looked at some of the other folding kayaks, the price point was just crazy. It was more than double than what the Tucktec's cost. So for me, Tucktec was at a very affordable price point for a folding kayak. We have had inflatables before. We had Intex inflatables, and for us, they just didn't work well. What would happen is there's channels kind of in the bottom, like where it would inflate, and water would just sit in there. It would get moldy. So after we were done kayaking, you'd have to deflate the kayak, put it in your car. Then when you'd get home, you'd have to re-inflate the kayak, let it sit in the sun, get a towel dry all the grooves. It was just so time consuming. The other issue for us is we like to paddle a lot in bays, open kind of water situations, and in the inflatable kayak, we would get blown around like crazy to the point where you're just kind of spinning, and it was so frustrating. Especially one of the inflatables we had was a tandem, and just with 2 people out there just at the mercy of the wind, it was not a very fun situation. Got more of this sturdy plastic. It performs more like a hard shell, which is what I really want. So these have just been so sturdy and so reliable. I trust them so much. I do always wear my life vest because you just never know. You should wear your life vest anytime you're on a body of water. But I trust these so much. I bring my Canon EOS 5 camera with me. I bring this out on the water. I know that on this, I don't have to worry about tipping. It's got this big wide hull. It's just unbelievable. And I also, just the sturdiness of it. I drag this down to the shoreline. I hit rocks with it. I hit tree stumps. I try not to, but you know, it's very difficult to see what's under the water line. And these have just held up so awesome. when you really want to go fast, like when I'm coming in, this kayak will really move. It tracks straight because it's got that skeg in the back to keep you going where you want to go. So if you're interested in getting yourself a folding kayak, please click on my affiliate link if you're interested, and there's a code to save you 10%. Thank you to the generous people at Tucktec for giving that to my viewers. And then of course, when you purchase through an affiliate link, you're helping a creator. This is a little glimpse about what it's like to take the kayak apart and fold it back up. We've used these in the bays, in rivers, in lakes, in canals. They perform really well. If you want to see more, check out some other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.